Yo, what's going on YouTube? It is CJ Brand here, and today we are back once again with a brand new tech review for you guys today. Now today we're going to be taking a look at Epicka's universal travel adapter. Now I will say this travel adapter right here is honestly amazing. I'm personally not going overseas anytime soon, or leaving the country I should say, but let's say if I was going to leave the country, I would gratefully bring this with me. And the main reason why is because this does cover over 200 countries plus regions all together. Not only that, this right here is a 70-watt charger adapter as well, meaning I can charge my MacBook up with it, my iPhone, and this iPad, hopefully some camera equipment, and then even my Apple Watch as well, or any other products in general. So what that means is that this right here does come with 3 USB-C ports, and then also you're going to get 2 USB-A ports as well. This making this charger all over just reliable in general. Now, like I did mention earlier in the video as well, this does cover over 200 countries plus regions as well. And just to name a few of those countries and regions, we are currently looking at the continental Europe, Australia, China, North America, Japan, and the United Kingdom. Those are just the name, a few names of the countries that are actually listed on the product itself, but obviously there's so much more. And me personally, I ain't gonna lie, I got a lot of learning to do, because I was like, I seen this port before, I've seen this one right here before, but I ain't never in my life, I ain't never seen this one right here. This one is actually pretty dope, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was just trying to figure out why we don't all have the same, electronic ports, but I guess it's for some unknown reason. But anyway, man, I would definitely go ahead and recommend checking out this product right here from Epicka. And like I said, the main reason why is because you do have a lot of options for charging in general. You got 3 USB-C ports. You got 2 USB-A ports, once again, all coming at 70 watts. Why not go ahead and pick yourself up one of these reliable, compact, and lightweight items when, why would you why would you want to carry 30,000 adapters with you? That's the biggest question you should always ask yourself. Do I want to carry 30,000 adapters, or I just want to carry one reliable, fast charging adapter? Let me know what you guys think down below. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.